Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers cheap Florence Graham local and long-distance movers near me. Finding the best and cheapest Florence Graham moving company will make a difference on moving day. There are plenty of choices, but 3 Movers offers the best moving services you will find. We will help you move from a dorm room, a large home, or even from your business office. Our team of long-distance movers will help you move 100 miles or 3,000 miles. We don't care how far you need to go, we will get you there faster and easier. Our team offers all the services you need, including packing and unpacking, supplying packing materials, and transparent pricing. Getting the right local California moving company will provide you with many benefits. Our team offers several benefits even if you just need to move a few miles away. We make your move faster and save you from doing any of the heavy lifting. You will also be trusting your things with professionals, which helps ensure it's protected. Choosing to hire 3 Movers means you get professional movers ready to help you. We will streamline your move and make moving day much easier. If your move would take you 3 days to complete, we can get it done in an afternoon. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Florence Graham moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.